Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, Angelina is going to turn herself into this pink monster. So if you want to know how she has done this, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in the coming video. To start out creating this monster, Angelina first sketches the basic shapes of the monster on her face using a white face paint by Diamond FX. So these are basically just the guidelines to know which part should go where. And then we are going to use loads of different colors of pink. I will put all the pinks used in the description box down below. So if you want to have some of these colors in your own face painting kit, you can purchase them. So the first color is on the skin, and with a bit of white, Angelina is going to highlight this. And with using a dry brush after putting the white on the skin, you can nicely blend the colors together. Onto a darker color of pink. This actually is purple. There are the stripes on the forehead. A nice pink on the eyelids as well. So this is a neon pink, and the purple goes over it to create some wrinkles on the skin. And once all the basic colors are on there, it is time for some detail. That is done with the black by Diamond FX. And as you can see, Angelina just fills out the gaps she left open in this paint. Of course, some white highlights on there as well. That creates a bit more depth. New nostrils, because her face shape is going to change a lot with this makeup. And then it's time for some wrinkles, which is also done with the black face paint. And once again, those white highlights. Now all the pink and purple is on the skin, it is time to start creating the mouth. This color is called Almond. It is by Superstar. And Angelina just paints the teeth on her face with this. So the almond is not white, and that makes it brilliant because then you can put white over it to create some highlights. If you use white, that is the lightest color, and it's very difficult to highlight pure white. Time to create the tongue of our monster, which is done with red and black. The gums, and then just fill out all what is left inside of the mouth with black. Time to create the lower part of the face, which once again is just the pink and black to change the shape of the face. A few wrinkles, a bit of detail in the tongue with just white dots, and finally some saliva from the upper teeth to the lower teeth. That looks scary. And that already completes our pink monster makeup tutorial for today. We hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.